Hi, it's Cindy from Safecutters. Today we'd like to show you the Titan. The Titan represents a new generation of Safecutter with blade vanish technology. What does that mean? It means the blade automatically retracts upon losing contact with the material being cut. The Titan is the most durable safety knife on the market. Die-cast construction means the Titan is nearly indestructible. That's right, industrial tough. The Titan has a comfort grip, ambidextrous blade activation, and of course, that die-cast body. In addition to these fine features, the Titan is economical. It accepts standard utility blades at half the cost of the proprietary blades required by similar knives. The Titan has the capability and flexibility of a traditional utility knife, but with the safety of blade vanish technology. You can find the Titan, along with all the other very remarkable Safecutters we offer, on our website. Join us in our mission to ban the blade.
Pick it up and see if it works.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't get it in frame. Okay, that. Did I get that right?
No, you didn't go back far enough.
Did I drive over it yet?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, why don't you pull it out and let me pull forward? We'll try it again.
Just drive back over it. See, it'll work. I think.
Camera's still going?
Yeah.
Okay, then go ahead and pick it up and activate it.
Now?
No, after I drive over it. Okay?
Okay.
The thing is indestructible.
It is.